Welcome back to a series. In today's episode, we are going to focus on cloud DevOps. Well, DevOps is just a methodology that combines dev, which means development, and ops, that is operation, to basically streamline cloud deployments. We'll explore its key components, benefits, and how it actually enhances cloud performance, scalability, and security. So let's get started. All right, let's begin with the role of DevOps in cloud computing. Well, we have discussed some of the concept earlier as well, that is CI and CD. So let's go ahead and do a quick recap. Well, it stands for continuous integration and continuous development, or deployment actually. So CI/CD automates the process of integrating script or code, or the changes in code, and deploying the application, ensuring faster and more reliable releases of the versions, basically. This approach minimizes the manual task of reducing errors and allows teams or departments to deliver update more frequently. The next concept is IAC, infrastructure as a code. Well, IAC enables infrastructure management using code or scripts, making deployment faster and more consistent or standardized. Tools like Terraform and AWS CloudFormation automates resource provisioning, improve scalability, and also reduce manual configurations. How about collaboration and automation? Well, DevOps foster collaboration between development and operation teams. That's in the name. They have to work together. Now, this actually breaks down all the silos that can slow down the deployment cycle. By automating repetitive tasks, teams can focus on innovation while minimizing human errors. The next concept is scalability and agility, or you can say flexibility. Well, DevOps actually practice this kind of behavior. They support dynamic scaling, ensure that the cloud environment can handle fluctuations in demand. This flexibility allows businesses to optimize resource and maintain performance during traffic spikes. So that is the core of scalability and this flexibility. I sometimes also refer it as agility, how agile your system is. Now, the role of DevOps in monitoring and feedback loop. Well, continuous monitoring ensures that cloud applications are performed as expected. So they are performing in a very reliable way. Now, this feedback loop provides insight into the performance of the application, allowing your teams or department to make data-driven improvement. So, if they see something, only then they can improve that. Otherwise, they will not know, or they will never get the idea what needs to be improved and how soon it needs to be improved. Improved security. Well, by integrating security into the DevOps pipeline or process, organizations can address this potential risk from the start. Now, this proactive approach ensures that the cloud infrastructure and application remain secure and compliant right from the start. Now, let's see how DevOps help in cloud deployment. Well, if you use it properly, you will get faster deployment. Now, here Automated pipeline will streamline the deployment process, reducing the time required to release a new feature or update in the future. So this whole circle will be more efficient. If it is efficient, this will happen faster. And that is why some organizations do release their updates in a very predictable manner. I'm talking about Apple. Apple also released their updates in a very predictable manner. Oh, next is your scalability. Well, now, if we talk about scalability, it all boils down to how rapidly you can scale up, scale down. So, in that context, DevOps enable dynamic scaling of cloud resources, ensuring that the systems can handle changes in demand. This flexibility is essential for businesses with fluctuating workloads, such as e-commerce platform like Amazon. And it also streamlined the performance of some streaming services like Netflix, Hulu. I don't use Hulu. Let's go with Prime. Yes, again, the continuous monitoring and feedback loop. Well, here, real-time monitoring allows team to identify and resolve issues before they impact users. This continuous feedback loop ensures that the performance or the performance data is used to improve future deployment. This gives a benchmark to your team to make sure that they're focusing on the right thing. Collaboration across your departments or teams. Well, DevOps break down barriers between deployment or development and operations, and also in some contexts security. Well, this actually promote collaboration and foster problem solving. This teamwork leads to more innovative solutions and quicker response time to customer needs. It makes it possible for the organization to actually uh, create more resource or create more solutions very fast. Cost efficiency. Well, by automating resource management, DevOps actually reduces infrastructure cost and it minimizes resource wastage. Now, scaling resources based on demand ensures the business only pay for what they use. In turn, it improves cost efficiency. So DevOps is the art of doing all that. Remember, it's a methodology. You don't have to follow it. It's not a compulsion. But the logics this DevOps methodology brings to your environment will help you to be more proactive and create more solutions faster. Now, in summary, cloud DevOps plays a crucial role in modern cloud environment by automating deployments, enhancing scalability, and improving the collaboration between teams. With some tools like Terraform, Jenkins, or AWS code pipelines, businesses can deliver faster, more reliable applications while maintaining security and cloud cost efficiency. So, thank you for tuning in to my episode today. I will see you in the next episode. Take care.